What's up guys, Shane Stars here. If you're looking for a compact washer and dryer combo, then I may have the perfect option for you. In this video, we're gonna be taking a look at the Midea 24-inch compact front load washing machine, as well as their heat pump ventless front load dryer. This is perfect for anyone who's low on space. Maybe you're a new college student in a dorm room. Maybe you just have an apartment that doesn't have washer and dryer hookup. This is definitely a great option. We're gonna cover these fully in this video. Big shout outs to Midea for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. If you aren't familiar with Midea, the Midea Group is a multinational home appliance company and is a prominent member of the Fortune Global 500. This company emphasizes eco-friendly practices and energy efficient solutions, contributing to a greener future. Midea's extensive market coverage includes countries like China, Thailand, Brazil, Germany, and even the USA, and they're known for their high-quality products and customer satisfaction. By integrating cutting-edge technologies into its appliances, Midea ensures optimal performance with minimal environmental impact. As an industry leader, Midea continues to innovate, driving the home appliance sector forward and providing top-notch products worldwide. This washer and dryer pair is actually the first set of appliances that I've ever tried from Midea, and I have to say, so far, I'm pretty impressed. I want to take a look at probably the main reason you would purchase this is the compact size. So the washer and dryer together is less than half the size of my traditional washer and dryer. As you guys can see here, it's much smaller. Midea did send over the hardware to stack these, but in my setup, I chose to have these side by side so as not to block my cabinets up top. Because the dryer system is ventless, you could easily set this up in a closet or a bathroom or just anywhere where you have a bit of space for this setup. Setup was super easy on this. The washing machine came with all the hardware that was necessary to get this set up. So I had my drain tube with the holder, both hoses with the O-rings there as well were included with the washing machine and the dryer. The only thing that I needed extra here was a power cord, which is normally the case when you purchase a new dryer. My setup actually had the water hookup and the drainage and everything that you need for a traditional washer and dryer. But if you don't have all of that in your apartment or your living space, you can easily connect this to your sink and drain into your toilet or into your sink, or if you have a drain on the floor, you can drain this there as well. So you don't have to have traditional hookups to make this work. One thing that I really liked about the setup here is I didn't have to fool around with a vent hose, as the dryer is ventless. It actually utilizes a moisture collector, which you can dump out after every drying cycle. That way your apartment or your room isn't filled with steam and humidity. There were also two different lint traps on this dryer, which made it very easy to collect lint, and I didn't have to worry about the fire hazard of a dryer vent system. We looked at the size of the washer and dryer and the setup of the washer and dryer. Now let's take a closer look at the washing machine itself. At 2.5 cubic feet, the washing machine had plenty of capacity to handle laundry for myself and my family. I was able to fit about 10 to 14 full-size towels in this washing machine, as well as 8 to 12 pairs of full-size jeans. Now, depending on the size of the jeans that you wear, you could fit even more than that, and about double the amount of t-shirts could fit here. You could even fit a smaller comforter in this washing machine. The washing machine has 16 different modes, including a custom mode, so you can actually tweak this to exactly what you need. This even has specific modes for delicates, sportswear, jeans, and wool, and you can do a full load of laundry in as little as 36 minutes with the quick wash setting. The quick wash function is suitable for loads of up to 2 kilograms. The feature here that really stood out to me the most was the steam feature. You can add steam to most of the wash cycles, and that's going to help to break down the stains and soil from your clothes and laundry. With the built-in heat sources, can heat the water up to 150 degrees, while the maximum temperature for the appliance can actually reach up to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you have some really stubborn stains, this is going to be able to get those out of your clothes. The steam function can also help to reduce wrinkles in your clothing and eliminate odors from your clothing as well. One thing that really stood out about the washing machine specifically is just how quiet it ran. So it runs at about 36 decibels, and that's thanks to the Midea brushless inverter motor. Just to give you an idea of the sound here, this is the spin cycle, the loudest part of the wash, and this is about as loud as it gets. So I can easily have this going. I can be in the other room watching TV, and this is quiet enough that it doesn't really interrupt my daily life. The motor in the washer is also backed by a 10-year warranty, so you know it's built to last. And speaking of durability and quality, this definitely felt like a solidly built washer and dryer. It definitely did not feel flimsy or cheap. It was very solid and felt like it was built to last. This definitely feels like a quality product. This does have the steam feature to pre-treat your clothing and the internal heater that can bring water up to 152 degrees to break down stains. But if you want a gentler clean, this does also have a cold cycle, which is going to reduce wear and tear on your clothes and keep colors fresh. You can see what's happening through the duration of the clean with the see-through door, and it does have a nice bright LED screen so that you can easily get through the menu and make your selections. Next up, let's take a closer look at the dryer. The dryer is a heat pump dryer and requires no ventilation, which I think is its main feature. Super easy to install, and because it's only 24 inches, it can easily be stacked on top of the washing machine or set beside it and can go in very small places. I thought it was very interesting to watch this work. I kind of figured ventless meant that my room would be filled with steam and humidity. It actually has a humidity and moisture collector that you dump out after every cycle. The dryer also has 16 different modes with a custom mode so that you can set this up to your personal preference. There are also several different dryness levels, including more, normal, less, or damp. Different drying levels will result in different drying time, and selecting a lower dryness level will ensure that you have a slight amount of moisture in your clothes for manual ironing. One of my favorite features of the dryer is the Wrinkle Care feature. When activated, the Wrinkle Care provides approximately 90 minutes of intermittent tumbling in unheated air at the end of the cycle to reduce wrinkling. Since the load is already dry, you can remove clothes at any time during the Wrinkle Care cycle. Another major feature of the dryer has to be the sensor drying. Once you've chosen your dryness level and you've selected your mode, the dryer takes over and does the rest, utilizing sensors that automatically detect the moisture level in your clothes. This is definitely helpful as it can prevent over drying, which can ultimately extend the life of your clothes. Overall, if you're looking for a powerful washer and dryer pair that can fit in any space, including small spaces, the Midea compact washer and dryer is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can learn more about these products and pick these up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.